Hello. If you are a local business owner who needs customers, please pay close attention. There are 3 Google tools that must be optimized properly in order for you to have even the slightest chance at showing up in the local search engine results when customers are looking for businesses like yours. The question is, are you using these 3 tools correctly? Done properly, you'll take your business from unknown and never before seen to the most relevant and most visited business in your local area. As a business owner trying to make a dent in the online world, you'll need more live phone calls coming into your business daily, and ultimately you need more new customers for your business. Stay tuned for the next few minutes and I'll reveal all my dirty little Google secrets. So let me just come out and ask it. Do you know if your Google My Business listing is verified and optimized? If you're like most business owners I talk to, you probably have no clue. And that's okay. For now, it doesn't matter if you have an unverified or incomplete profile that's only 50% filled out, or even no profile started at all. This video will shed some light on this great opportunity for you and your business. And here's why. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your profile 100% optimized so you can increase the likelihood of showing up on page 1 of the Maps results. I know you're extremely busy, so I'll make this quick. The faster you get your Google My Business listing completed and optimized, the faster you will start seeing traffic to your website and phone calls coming to your business. Here are the 5 critical steps to completing your Google My Business profile and having it convert more visitors into actual customers and clients. Step number 1, create your Google profile account and make sure it's verified. Oftentimes, Google will mail you a postcard with the verification code to make sure you're actually located at the address you give and to make sure you are a legitimate local business. This will deliver a higher amount of clicks and ultimately more lead conversions. Step number 2, correctly categorize your profile so that users will be able to easily and quickly locate the exact services you're providing and match that up to what they are looking for. I'm sure you have heard of the term keyword, right? You know, the phrase someone types into Google when looking for a product or service like yours. Your category should be related to those keywords as closely as possible. Step number 3, upload at least 10 photos related to the service you offer. We're living in a social world and people are drawn to niche photos. This is a biggie that is often overlooked by businesses like yours. And here's a little ninja trick that can even help more. Take each photo and name them after your keywords. Then you can upload them into your Google My Business listing. Step number 4, update your profile with the correct contact information. A detailed description with a couple of your main keywords included, and you absolutely must include your hours of operation. Step number 5, the last thing you need to do is connect all 3 Google tools together to get the biggest bang for your buck. Write these down: Google My Business, Google Maps, and Google+. Connecting the 3 will show your prospects that you are a legitimate, fully operational local business and position you as an authority in the eyes of your customers and in the eyes of Google. After taking these steps in perfecting your profile, making sure to be as descriptive and detail-oriented as possible, all you need to do is publish mind-blowing content to keep your profile right in front of your prospect's face. And when they need your services, you'll be at the top of mind and you'll get the phone call instead of your competition. Sounds easy, right? Well, I'll let you be the judge. Creating, verifying, and optimizing your local listings definitely takes a lot of time. I mean, for someone who doesn't know how to navigate this whole Google roadmap, it'll likely take hours and hours to create and optimize the perfect listing. And if you're like me, you'd rather focus on delivering a great experience for your customers and let someone else worry about all the stuff that's going to be a complete time suck. You see, my mission is to make sure you don't ever worry about completing those tedious and time-sucking steps. That's why I'm making you a special one-time offer right here while you watch this video. Basically, I'm going to do all the hard work for you. Here's what I'll do for you. Use the 3 Google tools that, when implemented together, take your business from never before seen to the most relevant and highly clicked business on Google Maps, sending you a flood of excited customers to your door. I'll claim your Google My Business listing before someone else does. I'll link your Google Plus and other pages together to strengthen your online authority, and I'll add your main website link to your Google Plus page and also include a link to your Google My Business listing. I'll completely optimize your Google Plus page and Google My Business listing. I'll upload at least 10 keyword-focused photos related to your business, and I'll show potential customers that you are a legitimate, fully operating local business and that you are in control of your Google My Business listing. I'll make sure your business is accurately represented in a real and truthful manner by listing your hours of operation, local telephone number, local address, and any other directional based information to help clients and customers find you quickly. I'll choose the perfect categories that reflect what your business actually does. A lot of business owners get this wrong and wonder why they never get ranked on Google. I'll make sure this is done right for you. And last but certainly not least, I'll fill in as much content as possible on your pages. This is one of our sneaky techniques to get Google to take notice and pay attention to your business. Yes, it's absolutely true. I will do all the work for you. Don't believe me? That's okay. I kind of expected that. So here's what I decided to give you. 4 guarantees that you won't get from anyone else. Guarantee number 1, I guarantee I'm committed to your business success, because if you don't succeed, then I don't succeed. I will treat your business like it's my very own. Guarantee number 2, I rarely ever make any mistakes, but even if I do somehow, I guarantee to fix it, because if you aren't happy, then I'm not happy. Guarantee number 3, I guarantee I will keep in constant communication with you and never keep you in the dark like others do. If anything pops up, you'll be the first to know rather than the last. Guarantee number 4, I guarantee 24-hour response times. If you call, text, or email me, then I promise to get in touch with you within 24 hours or less. Now, I realize you're busy running your business, so while it's still fresh on your mind and before you go get sucked back into that busy work life of yours and forget, here's what I need you to do. I need you to find my contact information below this video. You should see our company phone and email address, and you'll take the first steps in ensuring your Google My Business profile is completely optimized. If you're ready for a business transformation, don't wait any longer. Simply call or email now, and I will make sure that your local listing is verified and optimized, that you become a dominant authority in your local area, that you increase your brand awareness, you generate more live phone calls for your business, and you elevate your business to its next level. I know you're probably thinking, this is going to cost me an arm and a leg, right? Well, actually, no. I'm making this as affordable as I possibly can. Now, due to the fact that the price is so affordable, and because I only work exclusively with one business type in one niche in one local market, this offer is extremely limited. At this time, I can only work with one business in your niche and market this done-for-you offer. And it's on a first-come, first-served basis. If you wait and want to think about it and do it later, there's a really good chance that I'll be booked up and won't be able to help you. And once I'm booked, I normally don't have openings in my client list for up to a year in that particular niche. So don't miss out on this special offer. Call or email me now, and let's discuss how making this small investment in your business today can be the game changer you need to take your business to the next level. My information is below. I will be waiting for your call or email. Thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to hearing from you very soon.